If you're looking for love in all the digital places, you'll need to know the keys to successful online dating. First, be honest about who you are and what you're looking for. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to want something you don't. Honesty is key to finding a great match. Next, take the time to craft a great profile that highlights your strengths and what makes you unique. Use engaging photos and write a thoughtful bio that lets potential matches know what you're all about. When it comes to messaging, be confident and direct. Don't be afraid to make the first move, and be specific in your messages. Mention something you liked about their profile, and ask a question to spark conversation. And finally, when it comes to first dates, be safe and smart. Always meet in a public place, and let a friend know where you're going and who you'll be with. Take the time to get to know your date and have fun. By being honest and thoughtful in your approach, you can unlock the key to successful online dating and find the relationship you've been searching for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos on love and relationships.